The United States of America compared to Russia. Now, at this point in time, Russia is not really that much of a competitor with the United States, with the exception of the fact that they got nuclear weapons and they're not very friendly with the US. But they are by no means the monolith and scariness of the Soviet Union. Let's look over it, right? They still have about half the population of the United States. However, their GDP is less than a tenth of the United States. Now, if you look at their GDP per capita, you can really see how much lower it is, right? Because then we talk about poverty rates, and you say 11% of the US is in poverty, whereas 9% of Russia. However, the average person in Russia would be considered far below the American poverty rate because poverty rates are not the same between countries. Poverty in the United States would be considered wealthy in many parts of the world. You got a television? Well, you're rich. Obviously, the United States has way more trade, way more GDP growth, way more exports. And you can see that over here. I mean, the total wealth of the United States is so much larger than that of Russia's. This is overall just a far smaller economy. However, I do think that comparisons like this are interesting, even if you really can't compare them easily.